What's going on, you guys? Nick here with a quick video. Today I'm back in the garden and I'm going to show you another use for this rubbing alcohol. So I used it to kill a wasp in the garage in one of my previous videos, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can take care of some garden pests like this friendly little Japanese beetle. Now these guys really won't hurt you. In fact, I feel kind of bad killing them because they really don't hurt. They don't bite, they don't sting, but they will decimate your plants, your crops. They eat holes in the leaves and they attack pretty much all types of plants. So what I've done here is I've taken some 91% isopropyl alcohol, mixed it with a little bit of water to cut it down to about 70%. And I know you can buy 70%, but I use so much of this stuff that it's cheaper for me to just buy the 91% and then cut it down. And I'm just going to hit this beetle here. Oh, I knocked him down. He's trying to fly away. Not sure if you can see him on camera. I'll have to see if I can find another one that I can just knock all the way to the ground and we can watch him go on into the next life. So hang on, I'll find another one. Alright, here's a couple of them over here on this other okra plant. Alright, so what you do is you just hit them with the spray. And I'm using more than I need to just because I want them to die pretty quick here, but it's really only one shot. And that one that flew away earlier will die as well. You see them? They're already struggling. What you'll see happen is their back legs will kind of go up in the air, and then they just kind of shrivel up and die. The alcohol works in two ways. It is a poison. It's poisonous to us too, but it takes a lot more to kill us. And then it also dehydrates them very quickly. So even though I've mixed it with water, that rubbing alcohol evaporates and takes the moisture away with it as well, and dehydrates them. And these guys are both dead. I think that was about 15 seconds. And by the way, I'm not shaking the camera. There's just a very slight breeze shaking the okra plant. So if you're getting seasick, pause the video for a second. But these guys are both dead now, completely dead. And what I can do with these, what you can do is if you have chickens, I'll set these guys out on a tray to dry for just a couple hours because they will rot pretty quickly. Oh, get off me, sweat bee. There we go. I think I might have killed the sweat bee too. And then I just give them to the chickens once they're nice and dried out and crispy. You don't want to feed them to the chickens with the isopropyl alcohol. If you used ethanol, it would probably be okay if they were a little bit damp, but even then, you know, you don't want to poison your chickens, and whatever you feed your chickens ultimately ends up in your eggs. So anyway, that is going to be it for this video, I think. This is a very, very effective tool. All you need is a simple squirt bottle. I'll put some links to squirt bottles and isopropyl alcohol and all that in the description for this video. And if you check out those links, actually it helps make me money. So go ahead and check out those Amazon.com links. Even if you don't buy anything, you can at least get an idea of what you're looking for. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.